So let's meet the herd today. This is Lemon Time. She's about 2 months old. She's a doeling. This is Huckleberry. He's our wether. And then our newest addition is Juniper here. She is 9 weeks old. She's a doeling. And she's extremely sweet. These are Nigerian dwarf goats. They're dairy goats. And they're pretty much an absolute joy. I love them so much. Let's see if I can get them to jump. Come on, babies. So now that you have met our goat herd, it's time to meet our flock. And these are our broad-breasted white turkeys. This is our Tom. And we have a female back there. Tom is very friendly. Hi, buddy. And we have one silky roo here. His name is Garth. We have a few Barred Rock chickens. These guys are just lovely. I love them. We have a newish flock of Wyandottes. You can see them. There's one, there's one. And let me see if there's anyone in here. We have a mascot, or Jersey Giant, named Rosie. Nobody in here. And we have, of course, our new additions. They are the future of our flock. We have a few projects going on with these guys. So we have the Delaware enhanced broilers in here. We're gonna start breeding our own meat chickens. We've got a few Brahma hens, and we have Whiting True Blue chickens from Murray McMurray. Not sponsored, not affiliated, but I do love Murray McMurray. We only had one loss, actually today, but you know, out of 20, it's not too bad. But yeah, here's the flock. Let me know what you guys think in the comments.